Certain clauses which are ought to be present in almost all sort of agreements that you would be working on. So today's outline of the meeting of the session, if I have to give you a brief about it, what we are going to discuss is a term, termination, entire agreement clause, governing law, and jurisdiction and dispute resolution. So basically, these clauses are, are called as boilerplate clauses, which mean that all of these clauses are always present in any sort of contract that we would draft. So any contract without such clauses, would not be, I would not say that it will become an illegal contract or an invalid contract or becomes a defective contract, but to an extent it becomes not enforceable, because let's say if the term is not there in the contract, if the parties how they would want to exit from that arrangement is not there, then there's a lot of confusion in implementing that sort of an agreement. So the purpose why we need to have all these clauses is to have a clarity of thoughts, transparency recorded expressly between the parties who are involved in the transaction. So coming to the term of the contract. So as you would understand, the term means that it basically relates to what is the duration for which the agreement is to be effective and binding between the parties. Okay, so any contract that you're looking at will have a starting date, and it can either go until it is terminated, or it can be a specific duration.